Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a CraftBukkit server. I'm doing on the 1.1 Minecraft. It doesn't matter as long as it's recent, it'll work. The first three files you need to download are a Java runtime environment file and install that. If you're if you're a Windows whatever bit you are, so if you're a 32-bit, you need to download the times 86 file. If you're a 64-bit, you're going to download the 64-bit file. I'm a 64-bit for Windows, so I'm going to download that file. I already have that installed, so I'm not going to download that. The second file I need to download is, you need to go to this website, repo.bukkit.org. I'll have the link in the description. You need to download the latest CraftBukkit jar file. You go to artifacts and you type in CraftBukkit, and I'll pull you to this. And then you scroll down to the bottom and you'll have your file. I'll download that right now. Download the jar file, by the way. Save that to my desktop. Alright, the last file I need to download is that MediaFire. I'll have that link in the description also. I'll have all these links in the description. You're going to download this Bukkit zip file. You're going to need... I don't think you need WinRAR for this, actually. Maybe you do. Most of you have WinRAR anyways. What's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. Download this bukkit.rar file. Save to desktop. Okay, so you have all three files you need. You have the Java, I already have the Java runtime environment installed. You have the CraftBukkit jar file, the Bukkit zip file that you need, and your Java runtime environment file. So get your Bukkit folder out of that zip file. That's the only thing you need. It's the only thing inside of the zip file. Create a new folder called Minecraft, or whatever you want, Minecraft server. I'm just going to call it Minecraft. Drag the Bukkit folder inside of Minecraft. And open up your Bukkit folder. Okay, this is the important part. Under what bit you are, you're going to open one of the bit folders that you are. So check your bit if you don't know. Go to Start, and then click on Computer, System Properties, and right there it says, right there it says 64-bit operating system. So I go to the 64-bit under Bukkit. Now I'm going to right click on the Start batch file, edit it, and replace right here it says jar name. I replace that with the CraftBukkit, or I'm going to drop the CraftBukkit jar file in here. I'm going to replace that with the CraftBukkit jar file name. So I'll rename, Control-C to copy, and then erase jar name. If I can highlight it, and paste it. Now save the batch file. Now, just start up, run the start batch file, and your server should be working. You can delete the old Bukkit zip file. So it'll generate all these files in here for your server properties. You guys should know how to work that if you're making a CraftBukkit server. For plugins, oh, by the way, you guys need to port forward. If you have not port forward, I'll show you right now. Plugins, don't worry, you can look at other videos for that. To port forward, you want to, if you don't know how to port forward, if you do know how to port forward, it's port 25565. But if you don't, I'll show you how right now. So you go to portforward.com. Go to router list. You need to know what router you have. So like my router is a W&R Netgear 2000. So I'll go to Netgear W&R 2000. And skip this ad. And then scroll down and find Minecraft server. You can just search for it, but I'm scrolling down to find it. Minecraft server, click on it. Okay, and then this is the directions that shows you to connect to port forward. You're going to have to go to your router page. I'll show you how I do it on mine. Most of you guys' IPs used to connect to your to get to your router's configuration page. Would it be like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1? It could vary. You just have to figure it out. Most of you probably already know it anyways, and the password is usually admin or password for password and admin. It's pretty simple. Okay, once your page loads, you want to go to the port forwarding page. It might not be as simple as mine. Mine has a pretty good GUI. Click on port forwarding. It'll load. Okay. Okay, here. I have a port forward. You click edit service or add service, and you use 25565, and you have to it's different for port forwarding for every single router. You just have to figure it out. Look on Google, see what your problems are. And some routers you need to make a static IP address. So to do that, you need to get this. The easy way is to get it from portforward.com. If I can spell that. Forward. Okay. And then you can download the static. You can actually just go to Google and type in IP static port forward tool, and there it is. You download that, and it'll automatically convert it to a static IP for you. So when you your friend that enables your friends to be able to connect to your IP address. But not all routers would need this, just some. I do. And now for your buddies to connect to your server, all they need to do is type in your external IP. If you don't know your external IP, you just type in whatismyipaddress.com. Then that is your IP address. That's, if you guys want to go on my server, there it is right there. And that's the IP address used for your buddies to connect to your server. So the only thing I haven't talked about is plugins. If you want, I can make another video for plugins, but I'm not going to do it in this video. Thanks for watching, guys.